Today we have Jordan 4 White Oreos dropping, but we have one big problem. I have 1 hour of sleep. Our newest addition to the family isn't exactly behaving all that well, so yeah, here we are. In fact, I'm so sleep deprived I'm getting audio and visual hallucinations. I can hear people whispering my name, I can see insects going towards me. It's not a fun experience. And this is definitely going to affect my performance for this release. I'm going to be clicking on all of the wrong buttons. I have a few more bots to set up, so I'm definitely going to set up super wrong. The first drop maybe is at 8 o'clock. Undefeated stopped telling us what time they are going to be dropping their items, so now nobody knows. But historically, they've been dropping at 8 a.m.
Scotty's back again.
Oh my god, it dropped. I should know the answer to this, but I don't. Is this gonna do the puzzle for me? No? Okay. I have to take my time with this. I got processing, payment error. Alright, I got to prepare my setup for 10 o'clock. Then I'm gonna go back to sleep. I doubt I'll be able to fall asleep, but if I do, imagine if my alarm didn't go off, I would be so sad. I did not get to sleep, however, I think I'm feeling a bit okay. I did forget to talk about the resale prices. The resale prices on these shouldn't be that crazy, but Jordan 4s have so far been proven to be pretty decent holds, so that's why I don't mind buying a bunch of them. And worst case scenario, I should be able to profit from them. Although the profit wouldn't be all that fantastic, it would still be something at least. Anyways, we got tons and tons of websites dropping in about 20 minutes. In all honesty, I don't care that much if I get a lot of pairs or not, but what I do care about is hitting my size. So we need to get at least one 8.5, and that 8.5 can't get canceled. That will be the goal for today. So let's see how we do.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
You are going on and on. I don't know what I did wrong. I think I'ma leave you alone. Too much negativity inside my zone. If I leave you now, I'ma feel way better. You look me in my eye, tell me that it don't matter what I say to you. I know that it's just another day for you.
Did they drop men's pairs? Damn, I got 503 error. I forgot that the proxies that I was running for Shoe Palace were banned, so that's a rip for me. What basketball superstar LeBron James often called? Bruh, I'm not ready for these questions. King James.
You are going on and on. I don't know what I did wrong. I think I'ma leave you alone. Too much negativity inside my zone.
I think it's out of stock on JD. I can't add it to my cart. Men's? Oh, yeah.
I know that it's just another day for you.
Oh, I have one carded. I got 2 carded. I need these to check out. What's a 500 error? This 500 error is following me around like a fucking cloud, dog. I have 3 carded now. Watch, I'm gonna hit 0. Never mind, I got one. Oh, that's my size too. Let's go. I hit 2. I hit 2 of my size. Another one. Another one. Another one. Feasting. Oh, I hit 3 on Nike sneakers. What? No, make that 4. So I hit 3 on Nike using my bot, and I hit 1 on my phone, so absolutely insane results so far. Unfortunately, I can't really show you what bot I'm using for Nike because the developer said I basically can't show any of it, but man, that is amazing. I only ran 25 tasks and I hit 3. Nuts. I just hit another one. My checkouts resetted because I had to restart the bot. It was way too slow. Alright, so I got a total of 19 checkouts for the men's pairs, and I got a few GS pairs as well, but those don't really matter that much. For my foot site orders, about 70% of them didn't get canceled, so those are good. My Nike orders, dude, I don't think any of them would get canceled. I haven't gotten canceled from Nike in a really long time, especially from Nike sneakers. Usually doesn't happen. So not a bad day at all. I achieved my goal of hitting at least my size. Do believe 2 of my hits from Nike sneakers was my size, so I don't have to worry about that getting canceled. So definitely gonna be keeping that one as a personal. Alright, we got these 3 boxes that finally came in the mail today. Here we have Jordan 6 Carmines. These are going for around $230 to $240, and they retail for $200. But I got these for way below retail. And here's the important part. I didn't have to use a bot. I could have taken my sweet time buying these for way below retail, and I could have gotten as many as I wanted. And before you guys ask, yes, these are legit. There is nothing wrong with these sneakers, no factory defects, perfect, exactly as you would get it from, let's say, like a Foot Locker or Nike. At first, I was really skeptical because the prices on these were insanely good. And you know what they say, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. So I was extremely skeptical on buying these. So I didn't really end up going all out and buying hundreds of pairs. I only got 10. But here they are. They are here in my hands. I can see that they're legit. Everything is perfect. So that meant if I bought way more of these, then it really would have just been free money. It would be silly not to go all out. So how did I even get these Carmines? This is a feature that very few cook groups offer, and one of those groups is Pulse. Every Pulse member had an opportunity to participate in getting access to these under retail pairs, as well as other sneakers such as the Jordan 11 Jubilees and the Jordan 4 Fire Reds, and they'll continue to get access for future releases as well. This insane feature is only one of the many premium features that Pulse offers, so this is definitely a cook group that I'd recommend to anyone. We're doing a Twitter giveaway with them, so there's a chance that you can get in for free for your first 30 days, so be sure to check it out. The link will be in the description and it will take less than a minute to enter. They're also restocking today on their Twitter account at PulseAIO. They are doing a raffle release method, so if you want to get in, then now's your chance. Good luck. It's a no-brainer to have gotten as many of these as possible, especially for the price that I got it for. But here's the catch, and I'm telling you this because it's important for me to be as transparent as possible. You have to make the orders way in advance before the sneaker releases, and you don't get them in until about a couple of months after the official release. So if you don't have too much capital, not too much money to work with in terms of like flipping sneakers, then this is probably not the right move for you. But if you don't mind having your money tied up a little bit and you have extra capital, then this is super duper easy profit. Because like I said, you could have gotten as many as you wanted, you could have taken your time, you don't have to use bots, you don't have to be super good at checking out. So that makes the purchasing process stress-free. Unlike normal sneaker releases where you gotta stress out about setting up, whether or not you're gonna cop in this or that, this is easy.